Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can block contacts on your iPhone. To do this, go to your contacts, select the contact that you want to block and press little info icon next to it. For example, this one. If you want to block him, go to the bottom of the site and press block this caller. Then you need to confirm that you actually want to block him. Press block contact if you want, and now it's blocked and he won't be able to call you or message you anymore. That's it for this video. Please consider subscribing, liking and commenting this video.